Hello, my name is Saiya from Science for Kids, and today we will be doing an experiment called Marshmallow Towers. For this experiment, you will need a paper plate or towel, 20 toothpicks, and 30 marshmallows. For this experiment, the goal is to try to make the tallest marshmallow tower you can, given your constraints. So today, what I'm going to show you is how to make some basic shapes to help you get started with your tower. So to get started, I will first show you how to make a square. For this, you will need 4 toothpicks and 4 marshmallows. On your paper plate, start by connecting 2 marshmallows on 1 toothpick. Okay. Now what you're going to do is take this toothpick and put it on one side of one of the marshmallows. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, take another marshmallow and put it on the end, and another marshmallow and put it on the end. Connect the 2 ends by connecting them together with another toothpick. And voila, now you have a square. This square shape though is a little bit flimsy, so while it is a good structure to start off with, a triangle is much more stable. I'll show you. So to make a triangle, you're going to need 3 of the marshmallows and 3 toothpicks. So to make it, start by putting 1 marshmallow on one end of the toothpick and another marshmallow on the other end of the toothpick. Then, to make the next side, you're going to stick one of the toothpicks in another marshmallow. Take another marshmallow and put it at the end of this toothpick. And then you're going to connect the 2 marshmallows with a toothpick. And ta-da! Now you have a triangle. This triangle is a much more stable structure than this slightly flimsy square. So now what you're going to do is, using these basic shapes, you're going to try to create either the tallest tower or the most innovative tower. So as you can see, I've created an interesting marshmallow tower that's as tall given my constraints. I still have a lot of marshmallows left, but I probably could use some of them to even make my tower even taller. I challenge you to try to make the tallest tower you can possibly make. So how does this experiment work? In this experiment, you want your tower to be evenly balanced. To make your tower evenly balanced, make sure the weight is evenly distributed. So this means you don't have a lot of marshmallows just on one side of your tower. So here are some sample towers you could possibly make. So here's the one I just made on camera. Another one I made is this one. So as you can see, different structures can help you make the tallest tower. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something new about how to make your tower evenly distributed. I hope you have lots of fun with making your marshmallow towers. Bye!